Hi everyone, welcome back to the PooLin's channel. This is Vincent. Today I will show you how to embroider heart using EOV machine. Before we begin, we need to get ready all the supplies and tools just like a heart, stabilizer, scissors, cap station, cap frame, cap driver, and 4 clips. Are you ready? Let's do it. First, mount the cap station on the table and lock the knob. Then snap the frame on. Add the stabilizer. Put the heart on, making sure it's centered. Press the chain down along the brim. Pull the heart tight and clip the back. Finally, hit all 3 latches at once and pop the frame off. Insert a USB driver. Go to the paint screen. Open the USB folder. Pick your design and save it to the machine. Bank out of the USB, then find the design in the paint screen. Before we install the cap driver, we need to set the cap frame parameters. Go into the config screen, hit the frame button, and pick the cap frame. Loosen the 2 knobs on the cap driver. Slide it onto the machine, and as you do, make sure the rollers are making contact with the guide rail underneath. Line up the screw with the 5th hole on the X roll, then tighten them down to lock it in. Slide the brim in from the side of the machine. Line up the notch on the frame and the 3 latch openings with the locks and latches on the driver. Then push it in. Once it's on, give it a little push and pull to make sure it's locked in place. Once you have picked your design, you got to set the color sequence. Click the config screen. Then, click the color settings. Since it's only one color, you just need to set one sequence. We are stitching it in orange, so on the right, just pick the orange thread. Then needle it. Click Save and you are good to go. Enter the embroidery screen. Click Trace Away, then pick Normal Trace. The machine will switch to the needle 15 and trace out the design, so you can see where it will stitch. If it's not centered on the heart, just use the arrow keys to move it until the needles enter the center. You can click Thread Cut to double-check the alignment. Once you are all set with the position, you gotta check the embroidery model. Switch it from M to A. M is manual. You change the colors and start it yourself. A is automatic. The machine handles both for you. Next, click the Start button to let the machine begin embroidering the heart. Okay, the embroidery is finished. It looks great, right? That's all for this video. If you want to know more about the PooLin's tutorial, please like, subscribe, and follow us. See you next time.